Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh. I want to go over this 190 SPX Sea Ray with you. Got a big swim platform on the back, port side walkthrough. We've got the sports tower with the bimini on this model. Come on inside and check out the infinity flooring, Simrad on the dash. We've got this boat all set up for you to have fun on the water. Come on in to see us. We're located right here off I-35 in Dallas. Or you can go online to www.marinemax.com and check out all our inventory there as well. Look forward to seeing you soon.